Hi there everyone, welcome to Tech Ravers. I'm a big fan of mechanical keyboards and this is what I use on a daily basis. It's the GMMMK2 96% from Glorious Gaming. I do love it, it's heavy, robust and nice to type on. However, it lacks one feature that would make it perfect: Bluetooth. And in today's brief video we're gonna unbox and try out something else. OnePlus sent me their Keyboard 81 Pro and it's the first collaboration between OnePlus and Keychron, and it's a heavy customizable keyboard with a soft typing experience. Well, at least according to OnePlus themselves. And when you remove the lid you're greeted by OnePlus motto to never settle on a piece of cardboard. And if you flip it over you get a quick start guide to get you going. Apart from that we do also of course get the classic OnePlus red cable and a small hex key to open the keyboard should you need that. The cable is USB-C, but you also get a USB-A adapter. The keyboard comes with Mac keycaps on, but since the keyboard is Mac and Windows compatible, we also get a set of Windows keys and a keycap puller to swap out the keys if we want to. But now to the keyboard itself. The OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro is heavy, and I mean really heavy. At a little more than 1.8 kilos or 4 pounds, its weight will feel familiar to anyone who has used a Keychron keyboard before, but shockingly brick-like to anyone else. It comes in two color modes or two different types of retro-inspired grey. Summer Breeze, which is the one I have here, and an inverted Winter Bonfire option. And between you and me, this is probably the best looking keyboard I have ever seen. On the underside, once again, we have the Never Settle logo and a thick kickstand bar that stays firmly in place. You actually need to bend quite a lot to move it in place. On the rear edge there are two physical toggles and a USB-C port. One toggle lets you switch between Windows and Mac keyboard layouts and the other swaps between wired and wireless connections. It connects wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.1, but you can use the included USB-C to USB-C cable to tether it. And as I mentioned, there's also a USB-C to a USB-A adapter in the box. Combined with the linear switches, these marble mallow keycaps give the keyboard a distinctly squishy typing experience. You could describe it as almost typing on a cloud. A quick sound comparison to my Glorious Gaming keyboard will give you a better understanding of the difference. Which of these are better depends on your preference, and you might either love it or hate it. Speaking of which, please give me a comment which type of switches you prefer in the comment section down below. Also consider subscribe to my channel if you want more unboxings and first impressions like this in your YouTube feed. The keyboard comes with individual key RGB backlighting, though the included keycaps do not have see-through, meaning in a dark room you can see the shape of the keyboard, which should be roughly enough to reposition your hands, but it's not super easy to see the key labels. This isn't a huge deal breaker, especially since you can customize the keycaps, but it's a bit of a bummer for me, especially at the price of almost $250. And that's it for my first impression of the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro. It is overall great in its first showing, and the all aluminum body is cool to the touch. The retro-inspired color scheme is the best I have ever seen, and the sound of the keys is very satisfying. Also, the weight of the unit means a stable typing experience no matter how intense your gaming session is. What do you think of this keyboard? Let me know in a comment down below, and also give the video a like if you enjoyed it, as it really helps out. Thanks for watching, Tech Ravers out.